Do you have a plumbing problem at your home or business? Don't panic and call any old plumber to fix it. Call us immediately. You'll have a certified, affordable local plumber out to your home or business in a flash. We'll assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right the first time. If not taken care of quickly, your plumbing problem will turn into a plumbing disaster. Don't risk more damage or more money by putting off the repair any longer. Get your problem fixed ASAP by calling on your local emergency plumbing experts today.